Good evening, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about ISC Grade 12 Chemistry Final Exam Revision, wherein you have to write a 10 tests along with the paper discussion. So before that, let us see when we have examination. The exam is on 26th Feb, that is Monday, and today's date is 14. We have 42 days for our exam. And as you can see, around 100 students have registered for this revision. So first of all, I wish you all the very best. And then, if you come into the syllabus of chemistry, as you know, earlier you had 14 chapters, but now what they have done, the board has removed 4. So you are left with how many chapters? Only 10. In that 10, let us see physical chemistry topics. Number 1, solutions, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. For your information, I have already uploaded the videos of chemical kinetics. So let us imagine or understand that third one is already known to us. So in physical chemistry, we need to be thorough in solutions and electrochemistry. And how many marks it carries? Weightage is for 25 marks. Now coming to the next one, that is inorganic. It has weightage of only 14. 2 topics, D and F block elements and coordination compounds. Once again, I have uploaded the videos of coordination compounds. So understand that here you need to study only one topic. That is, in the inorganic chemistry, we are left with only one topic. Now, the most important branch which is carrying around 31 marks, that is organic chemistry. We have 5 chapters. In that, haloalkanes and arenes, I have uploaded all the videos. But still we will revise this. So haloalkanes and arenes, nothing but RX and C6 HFIX. Next, alcohols, ROH, phenols, C6H5OH, and ethers, R-O-R-. Right? Now, 8th chapter, aldehydes, C double bond O. Either sides, you know, carbon is there. That is, one side carbon, another side H. CHO group is called as aldehyde. Coming to the ketones, C double bond O. One side you have carbon, another side also you have another carbon. So this is ketone. Carboxylic acid, RCOOH group. So this is your 8th chapter. Coming to the 9th, organic compounds containing nitrogen. Now biomolecules are very important, where you have to study carbohydrates, amino acids, vitamins, right? And the deficiency diseases caused by those vitamins. This is about your syllabus for 70 marks. In that, 3 are already done in video lectures. So we can consider that we need to focus more on 7 topics in the stipulated time of 42 days. Next, we have seen syllabus. Now let us see what is the question paper pattern. So in the question paper, you know, section A, 14 marks you have. In that, fill in the blanks, 4 marks, and you know, options are given. That means there will be 8 options and you need to select the correct 4 options, which is easy for you. Then comes MCQs for 5 marks, 5 questions, and then assertion and reason for 2 marks. So they have introduced assertion and reason, 2 questions. Next up, C contains a passage and they will ask questions, 3 questions on this passage, and it carries 3 marks. So these are all easy things only. So what we can say that here 14 marks can be scored. Next, section B. Section B has 2 marks questions. How many? 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 2 to 11 are 2 marks. But in that 8th one or 7th, somewhere they will give internal choice. So 10 questions into 2 marks, so 20. First, section A 14. Next, section B 20. After that, in section C, 3 marks questions are there, and how many are there? 7. That is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And in this 17 can have eternal choice A or B and 18. So 21 in section C. Now section D. These are all 5 marks questions. How many are there? 3. So 19, 20, 21. And this 21st question has internal choice. So now I can write 5 here. So what is the total? 5, 4, 9, 10. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7. Hope you have understood the question paper pattern. Next, because organic chemistry got 31 marks, I want to start with organic chemistry only. So we have to revise from organic chemistry as it contains more weightage, 31 marks. Now in that 5 topics, first haloalkenes, nothing but RX, arenes are C6H5. What you have to study? Naming, nomenclature. In the nomenclature, again, as you are familiar, common names as well as IUPAC names we will discuss in detail. Then classification. Nature of CX. Why CX bond? Because X is more electronegative. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. So carbon gets partial positive and X gets partial negative. Due to this, you have to study the nature of this bond. Next, physical and chemical properties. You know, this is the most important one. Mechanism of reactions, that is SN1 and SN2. SN1, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. SN2, 2 is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So reaction as well as mechanisms are very, very important in this chapter. Next, optical rotation we'll see. Now coming to the arenes, we have to discuss substitution reactions. In that, what you will do is, what is the influence of X, that is a halogen, right? When you are substituting any incoming group, let us consider another incoming group Nu minus. It may be OH minus. Okay, if OH minus or Cn minus is incoming group, then how it is substituting X? So that we will study. After this, uses and effects, that is DCM, dichloromethane. So this is methane. So 2 substitutions. Dichloro means 1 hydrogen, another hydrogen is removed. In that place 2 chlorines, that is CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2 is called as dichloromethane. Taking the alphabets D, C and M, you can write it as DCM. Trichloro means how many are substituted? 3 hydrogens are substituted. These 3 hydrogens are substituted and you will get CHCl3, nothing but chloroform. The last one, tetrachloromethane. How many hydrogens are substituted? 4 hydrogens are substituted with 4Cl. Therefore, you will get CCl4, and this is known as carbon tetrachloride. So this is the first part of haloalkenes and arenes. And then let us continue with the next thing.